Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, April 24th, 2018. We had a good trading day. It wasn't very exciting, mostly because volume was horrible. We'll talk about that in a minute. We did have a good run in futures early and a couple of stock trades back and forth, but not the most exciting day ever. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. And we'll look at the intraday action in a few minutes, talk about where that really covered. Let's go through the major indices and go from there. Crude oil up 52 cents to 68.92. That is a new closing high for the last year or two on crude oil. Gold down $15.60, kind of falling out of that handle. So the S&P literally closed plus 0.15 points. Basically a dead flat close. The index down 19 basically. SOX down 16.85. That's new lows for the last couple months in the SOX. Biotech's down 6.17. Still hanging near the lows. The VIX gets down 54 cents to 16.34. Now here's the interesting one. The trend does get another low reading, 0.75. But the 10-day moving average is still 0.87. So remember, it's under 0.85 that becomes a sell signal on the market. I count back 10 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the next two numbers to drop off are basically almost a 1.0 and then like a 1.2. So again, if we get anything under 1 the next 2 days, both in a row, that will take that 10-day moving average under 0.85, and that's a sell signal. Keep an eye on that. That happened quickly because we've had some real high trend readings for a while. NASDAQ volume, this was the problem today. Look at this. Worst of the year. Worst of 2018, 1.7. We had a volume warning early. We knew it was a problem. We're in earnings season, so it is what it is. Advanced decline ratio, negative 423 on the NASDAQ. More stocks down than up. Negative 276 on the New York. Google loses $3.51 reporting after the bell today. Apple down 48 cents again to 165.24. Netflix loses $9.08, puts it right on that 10-day moving average. Amazon down $9.63. Tesla down $6.87. All the big ones down. Goldman Sachs, look at this, down $5.29. That is not pretty. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up 3 cents. Does that gets us still? We still don't have a buy signal on that because we're not lower than the 8. So you need to get the 13. We need to be lower than the 8. All right, let's look at the intraday action. So you can see the ES gaps up a little bit, fills the gap, goes flat, tries to make new highs, and stalls out. Remember, we have the volume warning, so you got to be worried about moves. You get moves without volume, they don't usually keep going. So it looked like a little cup breakout. Looked like maybe we were taking out the highs of yesterday afternoon and this morning. Went about 2 candles and then stalled out, and there's just no volume. And then you slip back down over lunch, and you're just dead flat for the day. Then you start to slip in the afternoon, and again, even that, sweeping the lows of the prior day, but with no volume, so nothing happens. Come back up for the close. NASDAQ side looks about the same. All right. What do we have in terms of economic data coming out? On Tuesday, we've got the Housing Price Index, Consumer Confidence, New Home Sales, and Richmond Manufacturing Index. So that's it. And we will see what we get. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.